Devices in a network. In this session, we will be looking at different types of devices used in a computer network. We will discuss in detail about repeaters, hub, switches, routers, wireless access points, and firewall. Repeaters. Repeaters are devices used in a network to regenerate a signal to avoid transmission loss. For clearly understanding the concept, we can refer to this image here. Here, the signals from the source are transmitted to a destination. While transmitting over a long distance, the strength of the signal will become low, so a repeater receives the weak signal as input and outputs a strong signal to avoid the transmission loss. Hub. Hub is a networking device used to interconnect devices used in a network. Consider that we are having four computers, that is C1, C2, C3 and C4, connected to the hub to form a network. As an example, we can consider that C1 wants to transmit data to C3, that is from C1 to C3. So the first step involves here is that C1 will transmit the data to the hub here. Since the hub is not an intelligent device, it will transmit the received data from C1 to all other ports. So the data from C1 will get transmitted to C2, C3 and C4. As a summary, we can think hub as a device that receives data in a port and transmits the received data to all the other ports. Switches. Switches are similar to a hub which is used to interconnect devices in a network, but they are more intelligent to identify the devices connected to each port. As an example, we can consider that four computers, that is C1, C2, C3 and C4, are interconnected to a switch to form a network. So here C1 wants to transmit the data to C3. The data will reach the switch. The switch is having a chip available to store the MAC address, also known as the hardware address of the devices connected to each port, and thus transfers the data from C1 to only the correct computer, that is C3. This will increase the efficiency of the network and also the security, since data reaches only at the destination computer. Routers. Router is a networking device used to facilitate data transfer between two different networks. This device uses IP address to transfer the data to correct devices or networks. They are able to calculate the best route for transferring the data from source to a destination when multiple paths are available between the source and destination. Wireless access points. Wireless access points are used to connect the devices in a network having Wi-Fi modules. That is, examples of devices that can be connected to a network using a wireless access point is laptops, mobile phones, and printers. There are also modems or routers available having inbuilt Wi-Fi access points. Firewall. Firewalls are devices used in a network to control the incoming and outgoing network traffic. This will help us protect our internal network, for example, the network of an office, from vulnerable world of attacks from outside. As an example, we can check the image over here. This is our internal network and this is the external network. So the data coming from the external network to our internal network is having our good packets and also having unwanted packets. So the firewall in the middle here will block the unwanted packet and allow only the good packets to our internal network, thus securing our network from attacks.